Hey Star Wars fans, welcome back to Jamu's Playground. This is Jamu. Today we have a quick tutorial on how to use plumber's tape to make the Savvy's workshop blade or our custom blade fit better into the hilts, Galaxy's Edge hilts. And the reason we want to do that is twofold. One is that if you have a loose blade inside a hilt, sometimes it can make the blade squeaky. So I'm putting a stock blade in here, and you can see that there's a little bit of play, and sometimes that can make sounds when undesirable sounds when you are swinging the blade around. So what we have done is we're going to record a quick session here on how to wrap the blade in order to make it a little bit tighter fitting. Now, the one thing that we want to do is just to understand what's going on here and why we would want to tighten things up. If we look into the hilt, we can see that there are these 3 pins that are in the hilt. And these 3 pins are designed to contact the bottom of the blade. Here's a Jamu's Playground blade, and the 3 pins touch here. And you can see the markings on there. Now, there are times when if the blade is loose, the pins may not touch, or if as it's moving around, it will also lose connection with these pads, and that would cause some strange things to happen, like the animations or the color will change, or you get a retraction, or some other strange behaviors that could happen there. So it is, if the blade is extremely loose, it is actually a good idea to try to expand the girth. Now, what we see here is that we've already started on here. These are the tabs. There's a small tab and the big tab. And here is the power port. So we don't want to cover that up, but we do want to expand the girth of the coupler here using this plumber's tape. And plumber's tape is actually not sticky. It sticks to itself, but if you go to a hardware store, they come in little ribbons like this, and they're normally used to wrap the threads of pipes, so that when you have water kind of bearing, or even gas type bearing pipes, it will keep it from leaking. And so we can use this to thicken up the blade, and this is what we do. So we take it here and we wrap it around, and be careful not to cover up that port, or else you'll have to take it off in order to charge. And you just give it a couple of turns at a time. And the tape actually sticks to itself, even though it's not sticky. And then you can just cut or rip it off like that. And that is actually enough to keep it from wobbling. And if you then take it back to the hilt and see if it fits, try it a couple of times, take some off if it is not fitting well, or add some more if it's still wobbly. Then you'll get to a place where it's a good fit for your particular hilt. The other thing that you can do is also use a bit of, this is a 100 grit or 120 grit sandpaper, And you can actually roughen up these silver pads just like this. And that will actually also make the pins on the hilt side grip it a little bit better. And we found that this sometimes will also improve the connection between the pin and the blade.